Hey y'all, it's me, Natalie, and I'm back here with another video for y'all today. So today is over this look, over the new palette. Yes, I got this for Christmas, and I just wanted to review it with y'all because it's so beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. So yeah, so if you haven't already, go subscribe right now because we're about to get into this video over this cute bomb look for y'all. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, let's hop into this video. Today, I'm going in with this palette. Wow. Ooh, yes. So we're gonna be taking some shades out of here. All of them. Everything in this palette, okay? So first I'm gonna take Bare and I'm gonna just... I'm gonna take Tickle. I'm gonna take the shade Love Bite. All a bad bitch need is I got pants in the coop. Person at the roof. I got pants in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. Shake a little ass. Get a little bag and take it to the store. Now I have to pick one of these glitters. I think I'm gonna go with, and these are two ones that I can't decide with. Alright, and I'm gonna take some of that Love Bite again and put that in there. I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world. Now I'm gonna go in with some liner. Haven't done liner in a long time. Hey, see, money, 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 front outfit like 10 car wheels, cold that bitch. I give raw shoes, send up a look, so my lips so cute. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Heat in the car, that smells on wheels. I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. I'm just trying to give a real good flawless look today, like dramatic. So I'm trying to cover up my freckles. Today I'm gonna go with the Fenty Beauty. Okay, now I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and blend it all in here.
Wow.
I'm taking my NARS concealer today. So now I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Mercier setting powder and bake my eyes. And while I'm baking my eyes, I'm going to do my under eye, okay? Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world. And then I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna take my Anastasia palette. All a bad bitch need is I got pants in the coop. Person at the roof. I got pants in the coop. Touch me. Yeah, I'm about to dust all this powder off. I haven't used this in a long time, but it's the Too Faced Peach Mist. I'm gonna take the body brown highlight today. So I popped on some lashes. I'm about to line my lip out with that same eyeshadow palette, with the colors that I used for my eyes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets. I like more than sex. You just take some lip gloss and throw some on. All I really wanna see is that I don't really need it. Okay, so y'all, here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another video. Stay tuned. Bye, y'all.